guy right there. Put your hands up. Let him smell your hands.
Which one is it?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Now this is.
Is this a good sound from him? Oh. Hello.
Okay, now let me go in and see. Hi, sweet boy. You're not getting hi. Hey.
Whoa.
Okay, let a couple of them in. Just stay right up here by the gate. Watch the hot wire. Don't let them push you against that hot wire.
Okay. Leah?
Yeah. Jared, oh my gosh.
No. You can. Now, okay,
He kisses! Bad wolf! Oh my lordy.
Don't. Yeah, you. I'm talking about you.
Whoa. Ah! Oh my gosh. Wolf kisses.
Hi, sweet boy.
Hi.
Grab one.
My
and
bone.
go see if the next one's better.
Yeah. I'll take a bite off this one. I'll take a bite off that one.
She's like, look you guys, look at this bone I got.
Why do you have to bring it right here?
One.
By people?
Oh, look at wolf kisses. Oh, you're so beautiful. I know.
Kissy time.
Kissy, kissy. I love you too. Dakota. Hi. Oh, you're a happy wolf, aren't you?